Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in this class, we are going to discuss about color grading, that how you can color grade your what we have to do. So first of all, I'm going to delete these all clips, and after deleting these all, so I'm going to the stock media. After going to the stock media, so I'm going to download section and I'm going to add some videos. Like I'm going to add this video and I want this video. So as you can see, I'm going to add these videos. So now what we are going to do, we are going to color grade these videos. So as you can see, here's the option of the color grading. So you have to click on this and now color correction. So as you can see, a lot of filters are here. If you want to use them, you guys can use them. You have the adjust option. In the adjust option, you guys can control all the things here. Like if you want to control the white balance, you click on this. You can control the temperature to cool and the warm. And after that, you have the other options like color. If you want to increase the exposure, you guys can increase the exposure as well. You have to drag the exposure and the exposure will be included. If you want to increase the vibrance, you guys can also do that, and the saturation, and then the contrast. And you guys can control all the options like lighting. If you want to control the lighting, you can control the lighting as well. These all options are provided here, and presets are here as well. If you want to save this setting as a preset, you have to click on save as a custom and press on the OK, and it will be saved. If you want to reset it, you have to click on reset all. The video will be normal, and the video will be normal. If you want to use this, you have to click on the OK, and the video will work. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the color grading option. Through this option, you can color grade your video, your picture, and whatever you are working on. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.